The largest electric utility company in Spain, Endesa, has stepped up to the challenge of renewable sources of energy. Is this working? Yeah. How, you may ask? Well, I'm going to tell you. They have launched the Endesa Energy Challenge, which is an open innovation platform that seeks to transform the future of energy. Wow. I am very proud to present our next guest. He's a very special one. He's a must-have speaker at every summit every year, so therefore he's a very good friend of us. He's also a creative mind and an innovative thinker that has the ability of turning ideas into actions and results. No accident that he then is the head of innovation at Endesa, and he's going to give us more detail about this revolutionary initiative. Please, a warm welcome to the one and only Juan Garrigosa. Welcome.
Thank you, Elena, my old friend.
Come.
Here. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Yes, I'm Juan Garrigosa. I'm the head of innovation of Endesa. All of you raise hands. All of you that doesn't speak Spanish. Sorry. Is anybody here? Because we are not allowed. Okay, perfect. We keep in English. I work in Endesa.
I can do a translation.
No. It's much better. We can speak. No. It's fine. No. Let's keep in English. Yeah. Well, in Endesa we have presence in Iberia, Spain, and Portugal. We have 12 million of clients, and we belong to the Enel Group. That in totally we have something around 60 million of customers in more than 70 countries all around the world. So that means that we are the first utility in a lot of countries like Spain, Italy, Argentina, Chile, Peru, Colombia. And we are always working, how can we improve? We are present in the whole chain of the electric chain. We have been working with the open innovation methodology since more than 10 years. We call it open power. And what is it about? It means that we need help. We need your help to resolve our challenges. Our capabilities are not enough. So since more than 10 years, we have been working with research institutions, with universities, also with startups. And we launched last year a web page that is called Endesa Energy Challenges, where we ask for help outside of the company. And we launched different challenges. Last year, we did it with big data. We, as all of you, all of us are agreeing that there are some technologies that are going to change everything, that are very disruptive technologies. Last year, we did it with the big data, with the data term. And this year, we are going to do it with another disruptive technology that is blockchain. I'm not going to talk about blockchain, because the expert are you. What I want you to know is that we are looking for your help. That means that we are already working in Endesa with the blockchain technology. We identify different user cases. How can we use the blockchain technology to create value for our customers? How can we create products and services to offer to the customers? Customers that doesn't know anything about blockchain. They don't need to know anything about blockchain. It's the same that when we are using internet, only a few of people know something about TCP protocol, but all of us use internet. So this is exactly the same. This could be like the second internet. So we are already working with internal experts with some user cases that we have identified to use the blockchain technology in our sector. If we think probably all the people that are here, maybe we can identify 10 use cases. If we join all the Endesa employees, we are something around 10,000 people, probably we can identify, 20 or 25. But we think, what about if we open the challenge? What about if we give the opportunity to the rest of the world to help us in this point? So we are going to launch this challenge. We are going to launch first, then November the 1st, an open call worldwide. Means experts, whatever the country, wherever your profile, wherever if you are a big, large company, if you are a small or medium enterprise, doesn't matter if you are a startup or you are just a person that want to propose us something. We are willing to receive your proposal. With all the proposals that we receive with the user cases, what we are going to do is to select those of them that we thought that have more impact for the final customers. And our proposal is for you is work together, share. I mean, at the end, we are always looking for a win-win relation, not only with the startups, with whoever. The idea is yours, the proposal is yours. We have to identify the way to work together. Probably you need some things from us. I'm not talking about money. Probably you need data. Probably your idea is about billing. Probably your idea is about distributed generation. Probably your idea is about smart contracts. Probably your idea is how can we close peer-to-peer relations between the company and small users, or even between users of the energy. Maybe you need data. Maybe you need information about, I don't know, our billing system, or maybe you need the load, the consume of an average customer, or maybe you need to know the behavior of a solar panel or of a battery. We have all this knowledge. We have all this infrastructure. So we can work together. We have also internal blockchain experts. So our offer would be reach an agreement. We say that with a tailor-made agreement which each company, which each startup, with a small company, or even a large company. Depending on your proposal, if the proposal has sense, and sense means that we can translate this proposal to the final customers, and we think that they are going to use it, we were willing to close an agreement with you. Then we are launching in November the 1st. We have thought that probably 2 months it's enough. We will ask worldwide. Last year, when we launched the Datathon, we made an open call as well. We didn't know anything about what would be the answer that we may have. At the end, we received more than 600 proposals from people in 22 countries around the world. So it's incredible. We didn't know that we will have this relevant answer. So we don't know what's going to happen this year. We were thinking about what would be a good price. Should we say 3 winners, 2 winners, 5 winners? So we decided at the end not to say anything about that. Just we are going to select best of you, the best proposals. Doesn't matter if it's 1 or 10, because we don't know if we are going to receive 6 or 600 proposals. Our commitment with you is that we are going to analyze all your proposals. We are going to analyze it deeply. We are going to contact you. We are going to give you feedback. And those of you that we think has more power to get success with the final customer, think about a market of 60 million of customers, we will offer you an agreement. We will do this selection during the month of January. So we're going to have a couple of months to receive all the proposals. During January, the internal expert of the group will analyze this proposal. We are thinking something simple. We are thinking about just give us your idea, your proposal. Just 2 pages is enough. We don't need a lot of information. We don't need deep explanation about how to do this. We only want to understand what the proposal is. What's the value proposition for the final customer? Once that we have selected the best, could be 5, could be 10, could be 20, we don't know. Our commitment is that we start working with you. What do you need from us to go ahead with this proposal? What can we do? How can we help with that? Let's close an agreement where we both feel comfortable. And let's give some time to transform this idea or this proposal, it is in an early stage, to mature the proposal, to construct this proposal. we have thought something around 2 months. But this is flexible because this is open innovation and we don't have fixed rules. We can build together, depending on you. And at the end, probably in the spring or in summer, once we finish the project or it's a first phase, maybe we can keep working. That depends on the project. So we would like to communicate something by the beginning of April, but this is something flexible. Questions? Doubts? It's clear?
Well, I'm not sure about the main purpose is to find new use cases using your technology to give more value to your customers, or is that the idea?
The idea is how can we use the blockchain technology in the electric sector? What would be a good value proposition for the customers or even for our internal processes, maybe for billing? Should we send the bills with Bitcoins or with another cryptocurrency? Maybe it's an option. How can we use this technology? So all experts agree that it's going to change everything. It's going to be very disruptive. It's a lot of people working on that, a lot of investment, mainly from the banking system. What about the energy? What about the industry? What can we do with that?
And has to be something that works for your customers, not for other customers.
Well, we think that with 60 million of customers, it's enough. But if you think that we can use it with someone else, that would be perfect.
I am sure your customers are within his customers as well. Yeah?
Or are you thinking?
No, I mean, I don't know. Maybe something to produce petrol from plastic can be something that your customers are interested in, but it's not your.
He means that something is not specific fit. It's
Yes.
not your fit, but they might be interested. That's what you mean?
Yeah, perfect, good. We have some customers. Maybe we can reach much more customers. Of course, we are open.
You just give it a try,
would be
and
great.
then you worry about that. They will worry about the customers.
We have another questions.
It's not really such a question, it's more of a comment. The time frame that you're proposing there looks like a large bureaucratic process from a big company. And we live in an age where things are changing very, very quickly. And so it just strikes me as very bureaucratic.
That would be great to have everything in less than 1 month, no? Probably. Yeah, we don't know what would be the answer, so that's why we're thinking about a couple of months to receive everything. But if someone of you, I don't know, in a hurry or you think that the time should be closer, please let us know. November the 1st, we're opening our webpage, endesaenergychallenges.com. It's just simple as a button for you to send us the proposal. So if you have any special hurry, said, I will need an answer in less than 1 month or wherever, please say yes, and we can change or we can adapt the times.
We'll just send your mobile number through the internet and all the social network.
Yeah. Good. And the second challenge, well, blockchain is maybe sometimes it's difficult to explain for those of you that don't know anything about this technology, and it's difficult for me to understand to my mother. We are launching a second challenge that is more tangible. It's an agro challenge. It's so simple. We have a lot of customers, small and large customers in the agricultural sector, in the agricultural industry. We launch a simple call for those of you that have technologies, products and services for this sector. We would like to offer to these customers your technologies, your value proposition. So this is going to be very, very fast because we think that although these technologies are much more mature than the blockchain technology, we are launching What we're going to do is to publish different profiles of our customers in the agricultural sector. We are going to do this in January the 1st. We identify different profiles for you to propose us solutions or products and services to these customers. There will be, in this case, three winners, probably. Maybe we can have more. And the calendar will be this one. We are going to start in the first quarterly of 2017. Just we don't want to mix the two challenges. A couple of months to receive the proposals, 1 month to select those ones that we think have more suitable for fulfill the requirements of these profiles of customers that we have already selected. A couple of months to develop the projects. Probably these projects are much more mature than the previous one with the blockchain technology. And well, final selection and awarding ceremony. This is quite simple and Horizon 1, probably the other is Horizon 2 and Horizon 3. Questions, doubts about this other? We have two challenges, nothing to do one with the other. Methodology is quite similar. One is one technological, blockchain, the other is quite terminal, let's say. Doubts, questions?
Thank you. For the second challenge, you've left it quite open. I know you mentioned during the exposition that you wanted to impact the life of people and your customers that live in or work in an agricultural environment. But could you define a little bit more what you're after? Is it something to do with the final product? Like at the end of the day, Endesa sells electricity.
Not only that, also electricity, gas, and also products and services of added value. So we are offering right now to our customers some of the things that are not just energy. For instance, yesterday we were launching to the market, we are selling solar photovoltaic panels and also batteries. So we are also selling some other products related with the energy. So think about all these things that we can offer to this sector of customers, because we are offering these kind of solutions, not only that. We have proposal for the industrial customers with IoT, with energy efficiency. We have proposal for the electric vehicles. We have proposal for smart grids. We have proposal for storage, for distributed generation. I mean, we have a large portfolio of products and services for the customers as well.
Okay. Can I catch you there, Juan? Or
Time is over.
Yeah?
Questions? More?
Any other questions, guys? Well, don't worry. I'm not going to publish your mobile on the
Whatever
social network,
questions, you can go to the webpage or even you can reach me here. I'm at your disposal.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Wait. Just so you
I'm afraid of you. I don't know.
No. Don't forget, Endesa Energy Challenge, 2 challenges, open power. Thank you,
Open
Juan.
power. Thank you to you,
Thank
Elena.
you.
Thanks
Thank
all of
you.
you.